we have April taken care of. What's going to come next after April? Noah?
January.
January. Can you read to me the amount of precipitation that occurred in January? So let me teach you how to read decimals, okay? What you do is you always read the whole numbers first. Okay, so let me write this down. Let's do 26, this number. So you always read the whole number, which is 26. The next thing you want to do is replace the decimal by saying and. So what we're doing is we're reading whole numbers and then we're reading not whole numbers. So we have 26 and how much, what would this number be? Hunter?
2,000.
This number. 32. And we go how many places past the decimal? 2, which takes us to the hundreds. So what you would say is you would read this just like you normally would, 32, and then tell me what house they're in, 32 hundredths. So we say 26 and 32 hundredths. Clear the ink for me, please, there. Okay. So, Noah, help me out here. January's precipitation was?
4 and 76 hundredths.
Good job. 4 and 76 hundredths. What comes next? Clark.
February.
February. Can you tell me how much rain occurred in February?
5.46.
Okay, how do we read that? Whole numbers first.
5.
What do we say in place of the decimal? And 5 and
5 and 46 hundredths.
good job. February's taken care of. Can you remind me what this is? This 6.74?
That's 5.
Oh, it's a 5. What comes next? We have 2 months left. It's either going to be March or May. Which one's going to come next? Tim?
March. What's the first?
So March is 6 inches. May is 5 inches. Which is going to come next in order? 5 or 6?
5?
Yep.
May.
Okay. And tell me how much rain we got in May.
5 and 74.
Good job. And then the last one is March. Who can read the decimal for March? Hunter.
6 and 41.
6 and 41 hundredths. Good job. Everybody get that in order correctly? Okay, let's look at Alaska. Did you have a question? Okay. Alaska, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. We need to figure out which one comes first. Which one had the lowest amount of rainfall? Which month? Courtney. June. How much rain fell in June?
1
Good job. 1 and 12 hundredths. What came next? Gage?
October.
October. And can you read to me how much rain fell in October?
1 and 35
35 what?
inches.
1 and 35.
He said
inches. 1 and 35. What place do we go to if we go 2 places past? 2 places.
100.
Hundredths. So what we're saying is 1 and 35 hundredths of an inch. Okay? Next. I'm looking for people who haven't talked. Ben.
July.
July. How much rain fell in July?
2 and 1700.
2 and 17 hundredths. Good job. What's next, Vivian?
September.
September. How much rain fell in September?
2 and 4300.
Good job. 2 and 43 hundredths. And last is August. Who can read to me how much rain fell in August? Lindsay. 2 and 71 hundredths.